In this video, I'm going to talk about how to promote ClickBank products effectively. I'm super excited as I'm going to show you the mistake affiliate marketers make and how to use a blueprint strategy that could ensure ClickBank product sales for you. The most used sentence that made me create this video was, "I'm so confused, I'm desperate and struggling with affiliate marketing. Please, can you help me?" Well, if you're looking to start affiliate marketing, click on the link below to follow a newbie-friendly, proven strategy that I am currently using today. Click the subscribe button and hit the bell that you do not miss out on valuable content like this video. Let's get started. The first step you have to take is to create a ClickBank account. It's totally free and easy to set up. I will put the link in the description below. Click on the link and complete all the details, personal information, banking details, and your account information to sign up to get started. Remember to keep your account nickname safe, as you will use this each time you will promote a ClickBank product. Now this is done. Log into your account. Just look at your newly started account. As this is new, you will have no dashboard information. But once you make commissions, it will show up on your dashboard, and think how happy you will be. The second step is to get your affiliate link from ClickBank. Go to the ClickBank marketplace, and here you can search for a product you want to promote. You can choose any category, but the most popular and profitable categories currently in the affiliate marketing niche is make money online, weight loss and diet, and dating. So depending on what your niche is and what you want to promote, go to a ClickBank marketing site and choose your category. For this training, I will use the Make Money Online category as an example. Once you click the e-business and e-marketing category, it will open up and show you more subcategories. Click on affiliate marketing on the top of the list, and this will open to different products that you are selling or can be selling in ClickBank. I personally also go to Gravity at the top of the product list and choose to see the products in order of high to low gravity. The gravity number shows me how many unique affiliates is promoting this product and are making commissions from ClickBank for the past 30 days. As I mentioned in my previous videos, never promote products that you do not know or have not been used. So furthermore, you can easily find out more about your product you just chosen to promote by clicking on the vendor's affiliate page below the first information and before the gravity number information in the product list. And once you click this link, you will be directed to the product page to learn more about the product, the benefits, reviews, and most importantly, you can most of the time see the sales funnel and the different options, up sales, down sales, as well as recurring income. How you can earn money from the product you are going to promote. Now that you have done your research and you know which product you want to promote, so let's get your affiliate link. Now you need to click on the red promote button And make sure you have your account nickname in the top bar, and will be at the bottom bar will be your affiliate link. Keep your link safe. You can also shorten it with bit.ly, the link shortener, to make it looks better. Remember, this is the link you will promote, and this is the link that you will send your traffic directly or chosen product page. As soon as someone purchases, you will get a sale and earn commission from ClickBank that will show up in your ClickBank dashboard. You with me up to here? Easy so far. We make the account, we've got our product, and now we have our promotion link. So let's continue. Now let me show you what is the most common mistakes affiliate marketers make once they get their link and they start. They get traffic, people like me and you visiting their website or affiliate offer. Affiliates even pay to get people and traffic to their offers. So if we look at the simple page showing you traffic is directed to the affiliate link, and two things can happen. They can get no sales, or they can get a sale, and that's it. Nothing to follow up, no more sales, and that is why people don't make money with affiliate marketing. The reason I'm explaining this is that I do not want you to make the same mistake if you're new to affiliate marketing. And on the other hand, if you're already doing affiliate marketing but not making sales, this can be your mistake you're making unintentionally. So today I want to show you how to promote ClickBank products and getting your first sale. In the next step, I want to show you the super affiliate blueprint I'm using to overcome the most common mistake I also made just after starting with affiliate marketing. The super affiliate blueprint. This is how I managed to make it visual for me, and I'm sharing this with you to explain to you how affiliate marketing could be done effectively. I will explain to you the system and the flow of the different steps, and make sure you take notes and ask questions in the comment box if you want me to explain more in depth directly to you. Never, never, never send your traffic directly to the affiliate link you promote. You send your traffic to a capture page where you get the email address, offer them something for signing up to your page. Once they sign up and you got the email, they will get a thank you page from you, and also then they will be sent to your affiliate link. This is an example of a landing page you can have in your system. I never mentioned such high income if I use a landing page, as this looks scammy. Do not understand me wrong. This is possible, but you need to work and know what you are doing to make this amount of money. $10,000? I'm more realistic on what I put in my landing page to hook my people to products. The free video is part of the product page I'm promoting, and they will be directed to the affiliate link to get more information about the product. Once they sign up and I get their email, it will be redirected to my autoresponder. There are different autoresponders available, but I prefer to use GetResponse. The basic plan, starting at $15 per month to send an unlimited number of emails up to 1,000 subscribers, which is more than what you will need when you're still a beginner of your journey with affiliate marketing. Once the subscribers are part of my autoresponder list, I have my follow-up email list, which is prepared and set up to be sent to my subscribers on a set sequence and giving them valuable content and the ClickBank product link in the email message. You need to make your traffic feel special and feel you care about them, and you are not scamming them with just sending them the affiliate link. You only need to set up this once and it's running on autopilot. The autoresponder will send out emails on my behalf on the chosen date I set up for it. Awesome, would you say? Put in the work in the beginning and you will not regret it when you start making money from your ClickBank affiliate link. Now lastly, if we look at the blueprint, we need traffic to make this whole system work. There are various ways how to generate traffic. In short, I can mention here that I'm using free YouTube traffic successfully. According to YouTube research, there are over 1 billion users and they watch 1 billion hours of videos per day. That's a lot of traffic opportunities. Not only are YouTube videos easy to share through social media, but videos is also widely popular in the social world. Facebook alone, their users are viewing 8 billion videos daily. Your video might be one of them. No matter who your audience is, your potential for exposure is extraordinary. I will have a special video on the various ways how to generate traffic later in the series. So stay tuned to my channel. Subscribe for more videos like this. If you're looking to start affiliate marketing, click on the link below to follow a newbie-friendly, proven strategy that I'm currently using. Thank you for listening. See you in my next video on the other side of the screen.